Hi students, welcome to online class. So in this video we are going to discuss about chapter 12 structured query language. So last video we have discussed about the distinct keyword and all keyword, and then we have discussed about the where class. So in this video we are going to discuss about the between keyword. In this video we are going to discuss about the between keyword. So what is mean by between keyword? See, the between keyword defines a range of values the record must fall into to make the condition true. The between keyword defines a range of values the record must fall into to make the condition true. So between keyword is going to specify some values. So range of values means it will have the upper value and the lower value. So there will be a range of values will be there. So in that range of values the record should fall. So whatever the records which fall under that particular range, so those records will be displayed as an output. So the records which are satisfying the range, those records will be displayed as the output. So the other records will not be displayed as the output. So the range may include an upper value and a lower value between which the criteria must fall into. The range may include an upper value and a lower value. So between which the criteria must fall into. So always the range describes an upper value and a lower value. So whenever the condition is true, when the condition will be true means the records which are satisfying the range, the records which comes under the upper value and the lower value, so those records will be displayed as a output. So let us see the table first. So already we created the student table. So it consists of 8 records. It consists of 8 records. Ashish, Adarsh, Akshit, Ayush, Abhinand, Revati, Devika and Hema. So these are the records. So in these records we are going to specify a range. So what is the range we are going to specify? How we can use the between keyword? So how the output is displayed? So let us see that. Select admission number, name, age, gender from student table where age between 18 and 19. So what is the condition they have specified? So the age should be between 18 and 19. So we are going to select all the columns, admission number, name, gender, age and place. Age, gender from the student table. We are going to select all those things and then we are going to specify the condition. What is the condition they have specified? Where age should be between 18 and 19. So whatever the records which falls under 18 and 19, the records which falls under 18 and 19, those records will be displayed. So other records are hidden. Now you can see the students, those who are age, for example 101 Adarsh, male 18, 103 Ayush, male 18, 104 Abhinand, male 18, 105 Revati, female 19, 106 Devika, female 19. So the records which comes under the age 18 and 19 alone is displayed. So other records are not displayed. For example, you can take 102, admission number 102, 107, 102 and 107 is not displayed. Why? Because those two records are not coming in the range 18 and 19. It is not satisfying the condition. It is not satisfying the range 18 and 19. You can see the table, previous table. So see here 102 Akshit, male 17, as well as 107 Hema, female 17. You can see the 100, first Ashish, 100 Ashish, male 17. So it is not satisfying the condition. So that's why it is not displayed as the output. Can you understand, students? Between keyword is used to specify the range, upper value and lower value. So here upper value is 18, lower value is 19, or else lower value is 18, upper value is 19. You can consider any value. Anything can be considered as upper and lower. So the values are given 18 and 19. So those records alone is displayed. Other records are not displayed. Right? When you go for the another thing, not between. When you go for the keyword not between, the not between keyword is the reverse of the between. The not between keyword is the reverse of the between operator, where the records not satisfying the condition are displayed. So the not between keyword is different from between keyword. Whenever we use the between keyword, it specifies the range. We are going to specify the range. So the records which are satisfying the range, those records are displayed. Other records are hidden. Whereas not between is just opposite to between keyword. Not between keyword is just opposite to between keyword. So here they are saying the definition. You see, the not between keyword is the reverse of the between keyword, where the records not satisfying the condition are displayed. The records not satisfying the condition are displayed. For example, let us take the table. So let us take the same table. It contains 8 records. It contains 8 records. 100 Ashish, 101 Adarsh, 102 Akshit, 103 Ayush, 104 Abhinand, 105 Revati, 106 Devika, 107 Hema. So if you take this table, so we have specified the between keyword age is 18 and 19. In the previous example, we have specified the age between 18 and 19. So whenever I use not between keyword, see here, select admission number, name, age, place from student table, where age not between 18 and 19. Where age not between. So instead of using between, they have used not between. So not between 18 and 19 means, so the age which is not 18 and 19. So the students, those who are having the age not 18 and 19, so 17 will be displayed, 17, 16. So or else it may be 20. So whatever the students who does not falls under 18 and 19, other records will be displayed. So in our table, student table, 100 Ashish, male 17, 102 Akshit, male 17, 107 Hema, female 17. So those records are displayed. Because not between 18 and 19 means in our table, all the students, those who are having 18 and 19 will not be displayed. So other 3 records, one is Ashish, and then Akshit, and then Hema. So they are not coming under the 18 and 19. So those records are displayed on the output. Can you understand, students? Between is, in the between keyword we are going to specify the range. So the range, based on the range, whatever the records which are satisfying the range, those records will be displayed. Not between means just opposite to between. The records which are satisfying the between is not shown on the output. So just opposite to between keyword, right? So not between 18 and 19 means, so the other records which are not satisfying the condition 18 and 19 will be displayed. The other records which are not satisfying the age 18 and 19 will be displayed. Right. Now we are going to see about the in keyword. In keyword. What is meant by in keyword? In keyword is used to specify a list of values which must be matched with the record values. So the in keyword is used to specify the list of values. We are going to specify the list. The value list will be given. So the records which are satisfying the list of values, those records will be displayed. So other records will not be displayed. So what are all the values which are matching with the in keyword? which are matching with the list. The values which are matching with the list, those values will be displayed. The other records will not be displayed. In other words, it is used to compare a column with more than one value. It is used to compare a column, that is, it is used to compare a field with more than one value. It is similar to OR condition. It is similar to OR condition. So let's see the example, then you can understand clearly. So select admission number, name, gender, age, place. So we can select all those things from the student table. From the student table, where place in Chennai and Delhi. So we are using the in keyword. So we are going to select the column place. So in that column, Chennai and Delhi alone should be displayed. Chennai and Delhi alone should be displayed. So where place in Chennai and Delhi. Where place in Chennai and Delhi. So the keyword, the values, the list of values which are given is Chennai and Delhi. So those values alone are displayed as an output. So the records which does not contain Chennai and Delhi will not be displayed on the output. See here. So we have selected the columns from the student table where place in Chennai and Delhi. So we have selected the column place. In that you want to match with Chennai and Delhi alone. You want to match with the records Chennai and Delhi alone. So other records should not come under the output. So we need the students, those who are coming from Chennai and Delhi alone. So other records are not shown on the output. So the list of values are Chennai and Delhi. The in keyword is specified here. So the Chennai and Delhi records alone are displayed. So now you can see 100, 103, 101, 103, 104, 105, 107. What about 106 and 102? That is 102 and 106. Those records are not matching with Chennai and Delhi. The students, those who are coming from Chennai and Delhi alone is displayed. So those students may be coming from other state. It may be Bangalore or anything else, right? So this is about in keyword. So not in keyword, it is just opposite to in keyword. So the not in keyword displays only those records that do not match in the list. The not in keyword displays only the records those who does not match with the list. So when you take an example, so same example is given. Select admission number, name, place, gender, age, every column is selected from the student table where place not in Chennai and Delhi. Where place not in Chennai and Delhi. So the list of values is Chennai and Delhi. They have mentioned the keyword not in. So now what will happen? Will display the students only places other than Chennai and Delhi. It will display the students only from other places, that is only from the places other than Chennai and Delhi. Because we have specified not in. Not in means it will not display the list of values which are matching with Chennai and Delhi. It will display other than Chennai and Delhi. So it displays the Bangalore. So 102 and 106. Akshit, he is coming from Bangalore. 106. Devika, she is also coming from Bangalore. Can you understand, students? So in keyword, not in keyword is just as like as between keyword and not between keyword. So not between keyword we are specifying the range. In keyword we are going to specify the list of values. So between and in keyword will works as like as same. Merely it is working in a same manner. So the values which are matching alone are displayed, other records are not displayed. Whereas not between keyword and not in keyword works like the same. So whatever we are specifying, just it is not going to consider those values, it is going to go with the opposite manner. right, which are not matching with those values. So Chennai and Delhi is not displayed. So other than Chennai and Delhi is displayed. Other than Chennai and Delhi is displayed. So now you can see the records 102 Akshit, 106 Devika. So those two records are displayed on the output. So now we can see about the last thing, null value. What is mean by null value? So we know very well about null value. Null value means nothing. So it does not contain any value. So that particular data or particular row, it may contain a null value. If a particular row contains a null value, it may be identified that there is no value for that particular field. If there is no value for the particular field, then that field contains null value. The null value in a field can be searched in a table using the isNull in the var class. The null value in a field can be searched in a table using the isNull in the var class. See, if you want to find out whether the table contains any null value, if you want to find out whether a table contains any null value in any record, how can we find out? So we can find out through the keyword isNull. Through the keyword isNull, this keyword should be used in the var class. Whenever we want to find out that whether a table contains, whether any record contains a null value, how can we find out means you can find out using the keyword isNull. This keyword should be specified in the var class. Right. For example, to list all the students whose age contains no value. If any student contains no value in his age, if any student contains no value in age, how can we find out? So select star from student where age is null. Select star from student where age is null. And then non-null values in a table can be listed using is not null. When there is non-null value, that is when there is no null value in a table. When there is no null value in a table, how can we find out? So that can be listed using is not null keyword. That can be listed using is not null keyword. Right. So I think you might have understood this video. So let's end the class. So thank you, students.